Alert! Before using a fire extinguisher, ensure that someone notifies the fire department. Alert others about the fire. Begin evacuating others from the premise. Fire extinguishers are for controlling small fires before they have a chance to spread. Before using one, make sure that you have a clear escape, you are familiar with the operating instructions of the fire extinguisher, and that the fire extinguisher you have is suitable for the fire you're facing. Before using the extinguisher on a fire, look at the fire clasp symbols on the front label to make sure the extinguisher you have is suitable for the type of fire you're facing. Most common classes of fires are A, B, C, and K. Class A fires involve common combustibles like wood, paper, and tires. Class B fires involve flammable liquids like gasoline and petroleum oil. Class C ratings involve energized equipment or things that are plugged in like appliances, computers, televisions, and electric machinery. Class K fires involve cooking oils and greases like vegetable fats. Once you've determined that the extinguisher is the correct type for the hazard, see to operate the extinguisher using the PASS technique to control and extinguish the fire. First, hold the extinguisher upright and pull the pin. Next, stand 8 to 10 feet from the fire and aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. Once the nozzle is aimed at the base of the fire, squeeze the levers together to begin discharge of the fire extinguishing agent. Maintain your distance from the fire and sweep the nozzle from side to side, sweeping 3 to 6 inches beyond the right and left edges of the fire. Discharge the extinguisher until contents are exhausted to prevent reignition. Move around the fire to confirm that it is completely extinguished. Your quick actions can save lives and protect property. When in doubt, get out. Call 911 and then notify the Office of Campus Safety at 845-575-3333 or extension 5555.